like,
Baby, you're
sit well with me.
red lion. I'm so
I'm so appalled, you went and broke the law, claiming you feel flawed, you really have it all. House in the hill, early 20, no bills, folks paying for your school, you out trying to get a deal. Rapping about hard shit, trying to keep it real. Fucking black girls like this is the shit. Lying to the frats that you used to sell crack. That pocket full of money from your mama income tax now. It's just the facts of broadcasters choosing rap as a way to identify. They be getting high, blowing on the oregano. The joke's on you, Joe. Way behind the arc, trying to shoot like cool coach. I am Mr. Forte, just so you know. I got a goodie mug with a bite like Cujo. High's a Laura Mars, but I'm stuck on Pluto. You fool's gold is fool's goals, plans for chances. A lot of y'all soft, never romancing. Main girl leaving you, cause of what she's seeing you. A whack illustration of what TV did to you. Never the individual, most of y'all be appealing to a part of the wrong game. Expecting to play varsity, belonging in the back like a 2-year-old car seat. Y'all can't hold me, dog, get off me. 80-yard touchdown pass, I'm awesome. Cleaner than the Cadillac, slamming through Boston. Fucking ridiculous, sicker than syphilis. Them dirty white bitches, ass up with a mouth wide on your riches. I came up out the kitchen to get it, cooking the hardest flow. So you are not me, take it up a notch. Immoral Legacy, Enigma fam, you will not see if you never snooze. You lose, taxing you for your dream, asking you what it means. Rewinding for 4 seconds for a chance to catch it. If age was in the air, it's a chance I'd catch it. But fucking the game wrong, no protection. I did what I feel is right, never honest suggestions. Never think twice, no second guessing. You so analytical, how you question a yes man? Pleasure before business, your style of investment. This is your end and my beginning. I'm locked down in life. Your trial still pending.